Now that you know a little bit about what the library looks like and what kind of help you can get at the library, we also want to give you a little bit of information on how to find books and articles at Moye Library. First, we're going to go to the library website. You can always get here from MyUMO or from the University of Mount Olive homepage. If you want to get to the library from the university website, go to Academics at the top of the university website and go to Library. This will bring you to the Moye Library website. Our website is a one-stop shop for books, articles, and research help. Moye Library's catalog, also called Worldcat Discovery, is going to be the source you're going to use most when you're searching for books and articles. If you ever need help while you're searching, you can always ask a librarian here through email, make an appointment for one-on-one research help, or if you want help right away, you can go to the library chat and send a message to a librarian. Our chat service is almost 24/7, and you can get help here when you need help immediately and don't necessarily have time to wait on a response to an email or to make an appointment with a librarian. Today, we're going to focus on how to find a book, both in the library and as an ebook, and how to find a peer-reviewed journal article. In this case, I'd like to find information on global warming. And I know that first I want to find a book on global warming. So I'm going to go here down to the button below and click Books. And I am going to put global warming in as my topic. Now keep in mind, this is a very broad topic. When you're doing research for your paper, you may end up narrowing this topic down to something more specific that you can manage in a research paper. Clicking search gives me 42,881 results for global warming in libraries worldwide. Worldcat Discovery actually searches for materials in libraries all over the world. To make sure that you're limiting to materials that are only in Moye Library, go over to your filters on the left. If you're on a phone, they may appear at the top. Under Held by Library, choose University of Mount Olive, Moye Library. Now we have over 2,000 results of both print books and ebooks that are available at Moye Library. I want to narrow down to a more specific subject area. This is something that's available in the book search, but is not available in an article search. So we're going to go over here to the left, all the way to the bottom of the page, and click Subject. Since we've only got a few subjects showing up first, I'm going to click Show More, and we can see all of the subjects that our books under global warming fall under. I'd like to focus on global warming in business and economics, so I'm going to go ahead and select business and economics as my subject area. You don't have to do this in a book search, but it is one way to narrow your results. Now I have 136 book results on global warming that are specifically under the topic of business and economics. So under Format on the left, I'm going to select Print Book. I've also decided I want something more recent. So I'm going to go to Refine This Search on the left side of the page, and under Sort By, I'm going to go to Newest first. This will pull the most recent publication date first. However, it may not necessarily pull the most relevant material first, just the newest. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Green Gone Wrong. When you click on the link to the title of the book, you're able to get more information about the book. I can view the description here to find a summary of the book. We can see down here under Check Availability that the book is available and that it has this call number. The call number is basically a book's ID number. So just like your student ID number is unique to you, a book's call number is unique to that book. These are made up of a series of letters and numbers that tell you where a book is on the shelf. If you need help finding a book or want an introduction on how to find books in the library using these numbers, please don't hesitate to reach out to library staff. Now, I've also decided that I want to find an ebook. And now, instead of selecting print book, I'm going to select ebook. If you don't care whether a book is a print book or an ebook, you can just select book. So the first result looks like something I want to check out. It's called Economics for People and the Planet, and just like I did with the print book, I'm going to click on this book to learn a little bit more about it. I'm going to go to View Description, and this gives me a little bit more information on what the book is about, just as it did for the print book. The difference is that under Check Availability, we have a link to a database. We don't have a call number or an indication of whether or not it's available on the library shelf because this is an ebook. So instead of writing down a call number and going to the library shelf, I'm going to go here to this yellow button and click View eBook. This takes me to the database where the book is and directly to the page for the book. In order to read the book online, I'm going to go over here to PDF Full Text and click on it. Using the online reader, I can go through the table of contents to navigate through the book. Additionally, If I want to download the book, I can choose full download. And by creating an account with this database, which is free, I can download the book to read on my device. So let's go back to the library website and do a different kind of search. You can use the basic search on the library website to find peer-reviewed journal articles. To do this, you click Articles and then select Peer-Reviewed in full text. You can then put your topic in the main search box. However, I want to show you how to do an advanced search, since this is sometimes the most effective way to find peer-reviewed journal articles. To get to the advanced search option, I'm going to click on the advanced search link under the search box. Here we have our advanced search. You can see to the right the databases that our advanced search is automatically searching, but I know that I want to look specifically in the area of business. So what I'm going to do is go down here and look at the different database groups that we have available. I'm going to select Business and Management by clicking Select All in Group. Once I click that, in order to save these selections, I'm going to scroll up and go to Save Changes. Now we have our most popular business databases added in and prioritized in this search. When you're doing an advanced search, it's most helpful to use the keyword search. The advanced search also lets you link your keywords with and or not. So I'm going to go over here and say that I want to link my keywords with and. I'm going to search for global warming. And then I'm going to use my linking word here, and. When you use and in the advanced search, it is telling the database that you only want to search for articles that contain the word that you've included in this search box and the word that you've included in this search box. So we're going to search for global warming and economy. We have a large number of results in libraries worldwide that include books, articles, video content, and many different formats. However, we know that we want peer-reviewed journal articles. In order to find peer-reviewed journal articles that we have at the library, we're going to scroll down, and under content type, we're going to choose peer-reviewed. This will show articles that are available anywhere, including articles that you can get on interlibrary loan. However, we want articles that are available in full text, meaning articles that we have as a library that you can immediately download. So we're going to go over here, and under content type, we're also going to select full text. Since we're looking for a journal article, we know we want something pretty recent. We want to look at some of the newer research available. So I'm going to go over here to publication year, and I'm going to say that I only want articles published in the last 5 years. Now we have 1,200 recent articles. This is still a little broader than what I would normally want to find. So, for my case, I'm going to narrow a little further. I'm going to add another word to my search. So I'm going to add and in all caps here, just as I have here to link these two words. And I'm going to link another word. I'm going to put United States up here in quotes and click search. So while this is going to find materials that have to do with global warming, the economy, and the United States, it has broadened our results out now to include books and ebooks. So what we're going to want to do is go back to the filters we were using before and choose full text. And then we're going to want to choose peer reviewed. Now I have 422 results, which is still a lot, but it's a little less than I had before. However, when you're searching yourself, you're probably going to want to use narrower search terms to find something much more specific and keep your search results to a more manageable level. If I want to look at the article, I can first look at the title, just as I did with the books, to get a little bit more information about it. However, in this case, I just want to check out this article. You can see under check availability, we have a series of databases listed. And while just like with ebooks, you could click view full text here, most people choose to click view full text using the yellow button. We're brought to the database where the article lives and directly to the specific article. So now you know how to find a print book, an ebook, and a peer-reviewed journal article at Moye Library. If you ever need a refresher on how to do a basic or advanced search, you can find that in our research guides. Our research guides are located under quick links, and we have a guide created specifically for your course. However, even though it's created for first-year experience, it's going to be useful to you throughout college. We're going to go instead to course guides. Next, we're going to go under first year experience and click first year experience information literacy. The finding information tab is where you'll find your review videos.